Okay?
Yeah.
New Zealand is a sport-dominated society. Everywhere you go, every club, all the people you meet will talk about New Zealand as a sport-dominated society. It could be cricket, it could be rugby, it could be netball. It doesn't really matter what it is. The important thing is, in New Zealand, sport is something you do for the rest of your life. You learn it in primary school. You continue it in high school. You can study it in further and higher education, and then you can have a career in sport, because there's lots of clubs that want professional people to manage the clubs, manage the professional sports athletes, or just help people maintain a healthy and active lifestyle. It really is, it's an attitude of mind. We want people to be healthy, to stay healthy, and to enjoy a beautiful country that is New Zealand.